What's going on, guys? Freddie Finance here, and for this first video I want to talk about why investing is so important. We're going to talk about why it's so important, some things you should think about before starting, and some things to expect. Now let's dive in. This channel is here to teach you how money works and how to make it work for you. If you've randomly come across this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. Each one of those means a ton to me. Anyways, 64% of Americans retire each year broke. And other than circumstances that they can't control, it's most likely because they didn't invest early. Investing is an essential action to build wealth and keep you disciplined with your money management. Of course, you need to make good investments, which we'll talk about in a later video. But the investments we'll talk about in this channel are stocks, bonds, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, otherwise known as digital assets. None of the content on this channel that I post is going to be financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes. Anyways, like I said, investing is one of the most important keys to building wealth, and building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It usually takes many years to see the results of compound interest in traditional asset classes like stocks. But anybody can start investing, and you really do not need a lot of money to start. You just need to start early. The sooner you start, the sooner your future self will thank you. This is going to take a lot of discipline, especially when you're first starting out, because you're most likely not going to be starting out with a big account. So the gains that you have over the first few years are not going to be too big, but it's the magic of compound interest that needs more than 10 years to really see the incredible effects of how it works out. Before you invest your first penny, you need to have clear reasons and goals as to why you're investing in the first place. Well, Freddie, isn't the only reason to invest to make money? Well, yeah, that's the whole goal of investing, but the idea of having reasons and goals for investing is that it'll make you a better investor. Some common reasons for investing are saving for retirement or saving for your kids' education, but having these big goals in mind and reasons keeps you grounded when things get rocky, because things don't always go up. Markets go up and down. There are a few things you need to expect when you first start investing. The first one is that there's risk to every investment that you make. So that means that there's a risk that you can lose money. So only invest what you can afford to lose. And you also need to expect that your emotions are going to play a huge role in the investment decisions that you make. Money and emotions go hand in hand, and it can really hinder your investment decisions. So to wrap this up, you should invest because it's one of the key factors in building wealth, and it'll keep you disciplined with your money management. You need to think about clear reasons and